Hey people, look at this. We had a very special night. What you see here only happens when there's fog and a lot of humidity in the air in wintertime and a low temperature, as you can guess. This is not snow. This is ice. Look at that. And I can show you here a little bit closer. Isn't that amazing? It looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, but it's freaking cold. That being said, have a wonderful slide into the new year. We call it like this in Germany. Einen guten Rutsch. I love you all.